Go on.
Oh, we're gonna move back to Bears.
That boy's starting to move just like Saya.
Oh,
He's starting to make Saya look good.
he said I threw that.
Okay, but I mean, she was the first person to die, though. That's all that really matters.
Yep, you right. You got it.
He said I threw it at him. Look, I mean.
I can see his face right now. Yo, he probably stupid.
That shit says it's